Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply like the cutout stroke to your photos or videos on CapCut mobile once you've removed the background. So select the picture, then you're going to select cutout here, and you're going to simply select remove background. Then you're going to select the cutout stroke option, and here you can choose from these options. You have like 4. You can also change the color as well if you'd like to, and change the opacity and the size as well of the line. Just put it down, press the check mark button, and that's basically it. You can even add in a background if you want to in Canvas, maybe a color one or a background one. It's up to you what you want to add, like that. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!